revolutionary tire changing system in the industry today. The Coates APX90 offers your tire business the finest in speed, versatility, accuracy, durability, and ease of use. It's much more than a tire changer. Its innovative design makes the APX90 the only tire changer on the market today that can keep pace with the ever-changing industry and is easily adaptable to all your tire changing needs now and in the future. Proper use of the APX90 requires proper installation and setup, and our service partners are happy to provide assistance to get you up and running. This video will guide you through many of the features, benefits, and operation of your new tire changer. Coates, the industry standard in tire changer design and manufacturing, presents how to operate the Coates APX90 tire changer. Improve your productivity. However, before attempting to operate this or any piece of equipment, maximum performance and safety will be obtained only when all persons using the unit are fully trained in its parts and operation. Each user should learn the function and location of all controls. You can prevent accidents and injuries by ensuring the unit is properly installed, operated, and maintained. Let's begin by showing you the proper procedures for changing tires using an APX90 tire changer. Always wear eye protection when working around the tire changer. Be sure you understand all safety precautions found in the operator's manual and shown on the machine. Always keep the manual available and easily accessible for reference. Begin by removing the valve core to completely deflate the tire. Please exercise special caution when servicing wheels equipped with a tire pressure monitoring system. Deflate the tire completely by removing the valve core. Always loosen the bead on the narrow side of the wheel's drop center first. The clamps on the tabletop may extend beyond the tabletop itself. To avoid damaging the clamps, move them to their full inward position before positioning a tire for bead loosening. Pull the bead loosener shoe away from the machine. Bead loosener shoe against the tire next to, but not on, the rim. Actuate the bead loosener hand valve to position the shoe and loosen the tool to check diameter of rim and pre-position tabletop clamps. Use the clamp control pedal to move the clamps inward. Push pedal down. Use the clamp control pedal to move the clamps outward. Toggle pedal up. Determine the mounting side of the wheel. The mounting side is the narrow side of the drop center. Roll tire wheel assembly on the wheel lift bar. Keep wheel vertical and press foot pedal to raise wheel up. Now rotate wheel for placement on tabletop. Roll tire wheel assembly on tabletop with mounting side up. Use the robo arm to apply pressure to aid in clamping rim. Depress the clamp control pedal to move the clamps inward. Lift up on the clamp control pedal to move the clamps outward. Take time to experiment with the duck head locking system. Using the foot pedal, position the tower forward. With the tower forward, allow tool to descend on the tire sidewall. Then move the tool toward the rim and actuate the locking button. Normal tabletop rotation for demounting is clockwise. Depress the tabletop pedal to rotate this direction. To rotate the tabletop counterclockwise, lift the pedal up with your toe. Tabletop rotation can be stopped at any time by removing your foot from the rotation pedal. Tire manufacturers approved rubber lubricant liberally to entire circumference of both beads after loosening and placing on tabletop. Using the top bead loosening roller to hold down top bead while rotating wheel will make lubrication easier. Insert smooth curved end of the bead lifting tool over the clockwise end of duck head and below the upper bead of the tire. Lift the bead up and over the knob of the duck head. Use the robo arm to push down on the tire opposite the duck head to allow bead to utilize the drop center area of the rim. Depress the tabletop pedal to rotate the wheel. The duck head will guide the tire bead up and over the edge of the wheel. Continue rotation until the upper bead is demounted. For lower bead removal, use robo arm to lift the tire up and position the lower bead loosening roller under the tire. With the tire in position, depress the foot pedal to rotate the tire. The bead loosening roller will guide the lower tire bead off of the wrist. Lubricate tire beads liberally with the tire manufacturer's approved rubber lubricant. Make sure the tire bead diameter and wheel diameter match exactly. Place the tire over the wheel and move tower arm into position. Position tire so that the lower bead is above the rear extension of the duck head and below the front knob. Depress tabletop pedal and rotate the wheel to mount the lower bead. Use the drop center of the wheel by forcing down on the tire just ahead of the mounting tool and follow as the tire rotates. Rotate the tabletop until the lower bead is mounted. For top bead installation, attach the duck head roller to the duck head. Then rotate the tabletop until the valve stem on the wheel is 90 degrees ahead of the duck head at the 3 o'clock position. Using the power roller, press down on the tire sidewall between the duck head and valve stem to hold the tire in the rim drop center. The bead should also be under the right side of the knob on the duck head. Use the robo arm to push down on the tire opposite the duck head to keep the bead in the drop center area of the rim. Depress the tabletop pedal and rotate the wheel. Use the robo roller to press down on the tire sidewall between the roller and the robo arm to hold the tire in the rim drop center. Depress the tabletop pedal and rotate the tire until the bead is mounted. Position the tire on the duck head. Make sure the bead is correctly positioned in the drop center of the wheel. Then attempt mounting again.